Hello students, welcome to our mathematics class. Our today's topic is property of angles formed by parallel lines and its transversal. We already completed an activity based on this. So today we have to write the properties. Let's start. First property of corresponding angles. Each pair of corresponding angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal is of congruent angles. Each pair of angles are congruent. Here we draw two parallel lines and its transversal. Line PQ and line RS are parallel and line AD is transversal, intersect line PQ at point B and line RS at point C intersect. Now we see the corresponding angles pair. First pair, corresponding angles. This angle ABP, angle BCR. Write down the pair angle ABP, congruent angle BCR. Second pair angle ABQ, congruent angle BCS. Write down angle ABQ and angle BCS. Third pair angle PBC, angle PBC and angle RCD. Write down the pair angle PBC and angle RCD. Fourth pair, remaining this pair, angle QBC and angle SCD. Angle QBC, congruent angle SCD. Write down this property in your notebook. Second property of alternate angles. Each pair of alternate angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal is of congruent angles. Now we draw parallel line and its transversal. Interior alternate angles. There are two pairs of interior alternate angles. Angle PBC and angle BCS. Angle PBC and angle BCS. These two angles are congruent. Angle PBC and angle BCS. Second pair QBC, angle QBC and angle BCR. Write down. Angle QBC and angle BCR. Now, exterior alternate angles. Angle ABP. And for this angle SCD. Write down. Angle ABP and angle SCD. Second pair, angle ABQ, this, and angle RCD. Write down. Angle ABQ, congruent angle RCD. Write down this in your notebook. Third property of interior angles. Each pair of interior angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal is a supplementary angles. Means addition of these two angles is equal to 180. I here draw the figure. Interior angles means angle PBC and angle BCR. I highlight the angles first. This is one pair, one side of the transversal, another side of the transversal, this another pair. Now these two angles are congruent, interior alternate angles. These two are congruent by interior alternate angle. But here they form linear pair. Here they form linear pair. Addition of these two angles is equal to 180. Means these two angles is equal to 180 and addition of these two angles are also equal to 180. इकडे बघा, ह्या दोन्हींची ऍडिशन किती येते 180, कारण लिनियर पेअर मध्ये आहेत. बरोबर आहे. हा अँगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट हा आहे, म्हणजे ह्या दोन्हींची ऍडिशन पण किती येणार आहे 180. तसंच इकडेही आहे. त्यामुळे आपण लिहू शकतो इंटेरियर अँगल्स, फर्स्ट पेयर angle PBC plus angle BCR is equal to 180, and second angle QBC plus angle BCS is equal to 180. Angle QBC plus angle BCS is equal to 180. Write down all these properties in your notebook, and in next lecture we start the practice set 2.2. Till then, you observe the solved example from the textbook. Thank you.